lot of structural like thought through what is it that we're going to implement, what are these companies that we're going to work through, and we looked at dozens. We had, criteria of like the must-haves, as you mentioned, and our must-haves really were customization of, it's not a one size fits all for each of our providers because everyone has their own flair for documentation. Um, in neurology, obviously, we see A through Z of every, subspecialty in between. So as such, all notes are going to look a little different, right? And then the EMR system is another one. So we use an EMR system that we just wanted to make sure that the technology was agnostic and could integrate with that tool. And that was really important for us to be able to pull old progress notes and to be able to have it right back in an effort to make everything as efficient as possible. So those were two of our like must-haves. And we piloted companies for at least a good year before we partnered with Marvix. And the one company that we used in a pilot phase, we used the same providers that we piloted with Marvix for the tool, and it was helpful to have them see the first round of what that could look like for them compared to what it looked like with a Marvix solution. And the other tool was just really not customizable. So this is what the template is. It didn't look like our EMR templates. It made them feel like they weren't comfortable, and I think that really defeated the point of like we were trying to reduce burnout. We weren't trying to make this a heavy lift. We were trying to make this as easy as possible for providers and to make them feel like this tool was going to be benefiting them, not kind of working against them. And ultimately, that's what made us not continue on with that pilot and look for other tools. And that's where we landed on Marvix.